In today's walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to create a formula from start to finish. To get started, go to your formula dashboard and click Create Formula. This opens a blank formula workspace where we can begin. I'm naming this formula Hydrating Gel Cream V1. This is a lightweight gel cream designed for fast absorption, so I'll add that into the description field. For this demo, we're not assigning a client. Next, I'll scroll down to my product categories. For the primary category, I'm selecting cleansing. This helps with internal organization and documentation. IFRA category is set to category 3. For texture profile, I'm choosing gel cream. Application area is face, and the target customer is combination skin. Now I'll scroll down into the formula section. Every formula is built in phases, so I'll start by creating phase A. And in the instruction field, I'll note heat to 70 to 75 degrees Celsius and mix until uniform. I'll continue adding the rest of my phase A ingredients. Now you can add as many phases as your formulation requires. Each phase keeps your process organized and automatically carries over into your batch ticket. As soon as we're done with phase C, we're going to go ahead and click Save and then move on to our next section, which is specs and feasibility. This section defines how the finished product should look, feel, and behave. For appearance, I'll select soft white gel cream. Color target is white and odor target is neutral. Here we'll choose our emulsion type, which is an oil and water emulsion. Next, I'll set my viscosity range and viscosity method. This gives the manufacturer clarity on the texture and consistency we're aiming for. Our pH range will be 5.2 to 5.8, and specific gravity is set between 0.95 and 1.05. For yield assumption, I'm entering 98%, and for the manufacturing method, I'm selecting hot process. These details ensure your formula is feasible to produce and provide structure for your lab team. Once we save this section, we move on to the next tab, which is regulatory and label. Here, I can define packaging, warnings, claims, certification requirements, and more. For this formula, I'm selecting jar as the packaging type and setting the fill size to 50 milliliters. I'll define the shelf life as 12 months. Target markets, I'll choose US and EU. For certifications, I'm selecting Leaping Bunny. For product claims, I'm adding hydrating, moisturizing, and non-comedogenic tags. In the warning section, I'll choose keep out of eyes and for external use only. Then I'll add usage directions. Apply to clean skin, morning and night. And for safety instructions, discontinue use if irritation occurs. Next, I'll add regulatory disclosures. In this case, no known allergens. And add any preservative label notes you have. And finally, at the bottom of the page, I'll paste the full INCI ingredient list. You can generate this automatically once your formula is complete. Once everything is filled out, I'll click Save. The formula is now structured, validated, and ready for sample batching, documentation, and regulatory export. And that's the full process for creating a formula inside CM Studio Plus. From building your phases to setting your specs to preparing your regulatory information, everything is organized within one workflow. Thanks for watching.